Hey, what's up, guys? This is Doug with Outlaw Off-Road. You know, we get questions every day on topics ranging from sway bars to long arms and everything in between. And obviously, we've got answers to those questions. We answer them all the time, but we wanted to make a video series for you guys to get into those questions, answer those questions for you, give you the right information, help you cut through all the stuff that you may have seen, some of the bad information out there. So that's what we're going to do right here, right now. So let's get after it. So the first question we get all the time, every day, every hour of every day, just where do I start? How do I pick a lift kit? Lift heights, all that kind of stuff, just the basics of where to start. Good news is we can help with that. So I like to start with just a couple of quick questions, and really depending on the answers to those questions, the kit kind of finds you, not the other way around. And I know there's people out there that, we only sell one brand, or we recommend this, we recommend that, and that's fine. But that's not going to work for every situation. So here's where we start. I always start with asking a customer, what tire size are you going to run? Your suspension needs are going to be different if you run a 35 on a JK, or you run a 33 on a Toyota Tacoma, or a 40 on a JT. All of that stuff is different. Vehicles are unique, axle setups are unique, axle suspension types are unique. So we got to start with that. What are we even working on, and what tire size are you going to run? That's going to kind of put us, where do we need to go for lift height? Obviously, we don't want to throw a 6-inch kit on a Jeep Wrangler JK when a customer only wants to run a 35. Can you do it? Sure. It's not going to look right. It's the whole skip leg day effect. But really on that, there's a height that you need to clear that given tire size. So that's going to be number one. Number two is, what are you going to do with the vehicle? Are you going to off-road it? Are you going to build it to be an overlander? Is it gonna go pick up groceries 3 days a week and never see dirt, gravel, or going off pavement? So that's very, very important. That tells us a lot about joint structure. It tells us about what sway bar links we need to put on there. It can even point us in the right direction with shock. So that kind of thing. So that's question number two. Question number three is, what kind of ride do you like? People like different things. Some people like soft, smooth, buttery, kind of an SUV feel. Some people like a little firmer, sporty, performance, that kind of thing. So, and different brands are known for riding different ways. Brand A is maybe known for riding a little bit softer. Brand B may be known for riding a little bit firmer. So those are things that are going to matter. Finally, question number four, generally is going to be, what's your budget? Not everybody has the same bank account. Some people are going to come and they're going to say, man, I really don't have $1,050 to spend. Some guys are going to come up and go, I don't have a budget. So we really need to know the answer to that question, because again, that's going to tell us from a budget standpoint, what all can we replace? Generally speaking, two things are going to change the more money you spend: the quality of the parts and the quantity of the parts. And the quantity of parts is just going to, we'll get into that in another video, but definitely the quality of the components. Are they US made? Are they not US made? Is it rubber bushings? Is it, all these things come into play. And those are the things that we need to know to more properly and accurately quote a customer on a lift kit. But if you can answer those four questions, that's pretty much going to put you on your lift kit and tell you where to go and what's going to be the best fit for you, your vehicle, and your situation.